So good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bill with William O'Neill India, dated November 22, 2023. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty 50's chart analysis. As you can see for yesterday, Nifty had a gap up opening. After that, Nifty came under some selling pressure. But however, if you can see, yesterday Nifty traded in a very narrow range of 70 to 75 points during the entire day. As you can see, Nifty made a high but was unable to sustain the high. But even between the low and the high, it was a very narrow range of 72 to 75 points. So if we look at the past few sessions, once, as you can see, Nifty has moved above all its key moving averages, but after moving above the 50 DMA, you can see it is consolidating now, consolidating in a very narrow range. Maybe a couple of hundred points is where Nifty is consolidating. If we talk from the O'Neill perspective, we are in RA, that is a rally attempt. Rally attempt is where Nifty is trying to make a potential bottom. It did make a potential bottom. It held above the potential bottom for 3 consecutive days and moved higher. Even the other indices, the broader market indices, are making new highs. That is the mid cap index, the small cap index, the sectoral indices are doing well. So from here, we would like to see a follow through day. A follow through day FTD is nothing but an up move of 1.5% on higher on volumes higher than the previous day. When Nifty reclaimed its 50 DMA, or when all the averages were reclaimed, plus the broader markets were touching new high, we turned on the buy switch. And those who have premium subscription with us would be knowing that we are adding stocks to the model portfolio as well. So going forward, if we get an FTD, market will go from rally attempt to confirmed uptrend, and or even if the recent highs gets reclaimed, then also Nifty will go to a confirmed uptrend. So yesterday, FI sold Indian equities worth rupees 56 crores. DI bought rupees 722 crores worth of Indian equities. Texmaco launched qualified institution placement QIP issue yesterday with a floor price of rupees 135.9 per share. LIC increased stakes in Bank of Baroda to 5.03% from 4.984% earlier. Wipro announced a collaboration with NVIDIA to help healthcare companies accelerate the adoption of generative artificial intelligence (GenAI) through AI-driven strategies, products, and services. Titan The Competition Commission of India (CCI) approved the acquisition of an additional 27.18% stake in Carrot Lane Trading. Talking about the global market update, all the three US indices moved lower. Dow Jones moved lower by 0.2%, S&P 500 by 0.2%, and Nasdaq Composite by 0.6%. Asian markets, barring Nikkei, all the other two indices are trading lower. Kospi trading lower by 0.3%, Shanghai by 0.2%, and Nikkei is trading higher by 0.6%. Talking about Gift Nifty is indicating a positive to muted opening. Why I'm saying muted, because as you can see, the US indices were trading lower. Even uh, Most of the Asian market indices are trading lower, so there can be some kind of pressure on Indian markets as well. So maybe again we can see some kind of very narrow range movement or a very muted movement for Nifty as well. Talking about the chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Apar Industry. Those who've been following us have a very clear disclaimer that Apar was part of the model portfolio during the last breakout, and when overall market came under selling pressure, we had to exit the stock. But even if you look at this time, the stage count is not that high. The stock is forming a stage three cup base, as you can see. No major signs of no major signs of distribution. I can see volumes, so that's a good sign. And when the stock started to rise, it is rising on above average volume. As you can see, the stock did try to break out a couple of times, but was unable to do so. And it's still trading 4% below the pivot. If you look at the other things in the stock, the last quarter result for the stock was very good. Overall, management commentary from the company has also been very positive. Number of fund holding for the stock have been increasing. Has been increasing 60%, 16% quarter on quarter. ROE for the stock at 29% is very good. Overall, EPS strength is very good. Price strength is also very good. Buyer demand is also very good. RS line is trading higher, which is a good sign. So, as you know, the buy switch has been turned on. So, if this stock breaks out on above average volumes, and it stays in the ideal buy zone, it can be a very good stock to watch out for. Uh, I mean, uh, so let's wait for the stock to probably break out and probably market to continue to remain supportive. If that happens, anyone can keep this stock in their ideal buy watch list. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.